Hello, children. Uh, Today we have to start our next exercise. That is exercise uh, 11.3. Okay, it is totally based on the concepts of ellipse. Okay, so first of all, we should know what is ellipse. See, ellipse is what? An ellipse is the set of all points, set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distance, the sum of whose distances from two fixed point in the plane is a constant. That means what? See, so this is a definition of ellipse. Okay, so I will tell you in normal language what is ellipse. See, uh, see, this is the ellipse. Okay, so basically the meaning of this statement is that the ellipse had two focus, that is f1 and focus f2. Okay, so if there is a point p1 here, so the distance p1 and f1, it's not p1, it's p only, the distance of p and f1 plus distance of p and f2, you're getting some distance. That distance will always equals to, suppose here I'm taking point p1, so p1 f1 plus p1 f2, the sum of this distance will be equals to the sum of the distance p f1 plus p f2. That means what? Here I'm writing p f1 plus p f2. That distance must be equals to p1 f1 plus p1 f2. Okay, if I will take another point here, suppose this is your p2, suppose this distance is your p2, so this distance will be p2 f1 plus p2 f2. Okay, so this all distances would be equal. Got it? So if you'll join all the points in this manner, so you will get an ellipse. Okay, so this is your ellipse. Okay, in ellipse you have to learn some basic other basic concept like uh, things like major axis, minor axis. तो ये सारा हम लोग इस चैप्टर में पढ़ने वाले हैं. ठीक है, ये क्लियर हो गया. इसके बाद हम कुछ टर्म पढ़ते हैं इसकी. ठीक है, लेट मी इरेज दिस. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, कंसिडर दिस इज योर ellipse. Okay, so this distance is called major axis. Okay, this distance is called major axis. So value of major axis will always 2a. That means this is your origin 0 comma 0, and this point is called a comma 0, and this is minus a comma 0. So this distance is your a, and this whole distance will be 2a. Fine. Similarly, this distance, this is called minor axis. Okay, so its value is 2b. Its value is equal to 2b. That means what? This coordinate is 0 comma b. That means this distance, okay, this is your b, and similarly this is also b. So but the coordinate at this point will be 0 comma minus b. Got it? So this ellipse has two foci, f1 and f2. Got it? So that it has two foci. So and f1 and f2 are known as the foci of this ellipse. So the coordinate of the foci would be minus c comma 0, and here this would be c comma 0. Okay, because it is lying on the x-axis. So there are two types of ellipse. Here I'm talking about when the major axis lie on x-axis. Okay, so we are just considering the first type first. Okay, so here the major axis lying on the x-axis. So this is your x-axis, x dash, and this is your y-axis, y and y dash. Fine. This is your y and this is your y dash. Here I'm writing y dash. Okay, and these are the foci. After that, you have to learn some relations. That means what? Your a square would always equals to b square plus c square. Fine. So this formula you have to learn. This is a relation between a, b and c. Got it? And the equation, general equation of this ellipse would be, here I'm writing x square over a square plus y square over b square, that is equals to 1. Okay, so this is the general equation of this ellipse when the major axis lie on x-axis. Got it? So this is a general equation. And now length of lateral rectum. So what is the length of lateral rectum? A line which is passing through the foci. Suppose I'm giving the name to this, that is AB, and similarly this is another line, I'm giving the name to this, that is CD. So both are the lateral rectum of this ellipse. Okay, so noted down all these things. Okay, and some more things I'm going to write. This is a relation between AB and C, which is very important. Yes, now children, you have to learn two formulas. Okay, so here I'm writing C. Next thing is your eccentricity. So eccentricity is represented by this small e. The formula of eccentricity is C by A. Fine. This is a formula which you have to learn. After that, the length of lateral rectum. Length of latus rectum, that is equal to 2b square over a. So this is a formula to find the length of latus rectum. Got it? So all these formulas you have to learn. Fine, you will use in this exercise. Fine. So noted down all these things first of all. Now consider this figure of the ellipse. Okay, this is the second type of the ellipse. So here the major axis, this is the major axis. Okay, this is the major axis. So major axis would lie on y axis. Okay, the formula will remain same. That would be 2a. Fine. Similarly, this is your major axis. Fine. Minor axis. This is your major axis. This is your major axis, and this is your minor axis. And the coordinates of foci would be, this would be 0 comma c, and this would be 0 comma minus c. So here I'm writing it. There is no space here. So here I'm writing 0 comma minus c. This is the foci of f2. This is foci f1. Got it? And next, all these things will remain the same, but the equation of this ellipse would be x square over b square plus y square upon a square, that is equals to 1. So this would be the general equation. ठीक है, वहां पे पहले वाले में क्या आ रहा था, x स्क्वायर के अपॉन में a स्क्वायर आ रहा था, बट यहाँ पे b स्क्वायर आएगा. ठीक है, and y square upon a square, and that is equals to 1. So this is the formula, and all these things will, eccentricity, latus rectum, the formula will remain the same. Fine. And a is equal to c square plus b square. All these things will remain the same, but you have to consider this figure, and the value of the foci will change. Fine. So according to that, you have to write the coordinates of the vertex and coordinates of the foci. Okay, children. So learn all these formulas. Now let's start our first exercise. Let's start our third exercise of this chapter. Okay. Now see. No need to do the derivation for this. Okay. Just learn the formula and apply it. See, I'm solving your question number first of your exercise. (11.3). Okay, so here the equation of ellipse is given to you: x square over 36 plus y square over 16, that is equals to 1. So this question is given to you, and you have to find out the coordinates of the foci, vertices, length of major axis, length of minor axis, eccentricity, length of latus rectum also. See how will you do this. First of all, you have to compare this equation with this: x square a square plus y square over b square, that is equals to 1. Okay, it is in this form. So when you will compare, your a square would be 36. That means your a would be plus minus 6. Fine. Similarly, your b square would be equals to 16. So your b would be plus minus 4. So as you know that a and b both are the length, so you will take positive value. A would be 6 and b would be 4. Got it? After this, calculate c. So as you know that your a square is equals to b square plus c square. This is the formula. This is a relation between a, b and c. Put the value. A square is your a square is 36 and your b square is 16 plus c square. Okay, this will come here. This will be 20. C square of c would be under root 20. Okay, plus minus, but you have to take only positive value because c is also a distance. Okay, now you have to draw ellipse. क्वेश्चन में नहीं कह रहा है ellipse draw करने के लिए, but for our convenience we are drawing it. So your ellipse would be like this. See. Okay, so this is your center O. I'm giving this name A, B, this would be C, and this would be C, D. The coordinate, as you know that this is your distance A. This is your F1, this is your F2. Fine. And here the A is given, that is 6. The coordinate at this point would be 6, 0. Similarly, coordinate of B would be minus 6, 0. Coordinate of C would be, because this distance is your B. ठीक है ना, क्योंकि ये क्या होता है आपका माइनर एक्सिस होता है, विच इज इक्वल टू 2b. सो ये पार्ट आपका b हो जाएगा, तो आपका b 4 आ रहा है बेटा, तो आपका इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे 0, 4 एंड d के कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे 0, -4. ठीक है। सिमिलरली फोकस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपके हो जाएंगे, आपने सी कैलकुलेट कर लिया √20, सो इट वुड बी -√20, ठीक है। वो लिखा नहीं जा रहा, स्पेस कम है, यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ -+20, ठीक है। ये आपके फोकस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हो गए। तो अब इसने मांगा क्या क्या है फर्स्ट पार्ट में बेटा, इसने मांगा है जस्ट वेट, फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द फोकाई। तो आपके फोकाई क्या हो जाएंगे बेटा, F1 आपका हो जाएगा -√20, 0 and F2 would be √20, 0. This is 20. Okay. सेकेंड इसने मांगा है वर्टिसेस। वर्टिसेस ए जो वर्टेक्स होगा आपका दैट वुड बी 6, 0, बी जो होगा बेटा आपका हो जाएगा -6, 0, सी जो आपका होगा 0, 4 और डी जो आपका होगा 0, -4। ओके। नेक्स्ट इसने मांगा लेंथ ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस, लेंथ ऑफ मेजर एक्सिस। मेजर एक्सिस that is equal to 2a. So your a is 6, so 2 into 6 that would be 12. Minor axis that is 2b, so b is your 4, so 2 into 4 that would be 8. Okay, आ रहा है ना समझ। एसेंट्रिसिटी निकालना बेटा, एसेंट्रिसिटी एज यू नो दैट E is equal to c by a। c क्या आ रहा है आपका √20, a आपका क्या आ रहा है 6। ओके। So this 20 can be written as 2√5/6. So this and this will cancel out. You will get √5/3. So this is your E. Now length of litus rectum. Length of litus rectum that is equals to 2b² / a. Fine. So 2 into your b square is beta b square is 16 over a is 6. So just cancel out. So it would be 16/3. So this is how you can calculate all these things. Okay. So calculate it. So note it down each and every part of this question. Okay. It's a very simple chapter and very simple exercise also. Fine. Just understand the concept, focus on the formulas. You are able, then if you will do all these things, so you are able to solve each and every question of this exercise. So note it down. After this children, I'm going to solve question number 6 because it's another type. Okay. Now see children, here is a question number 6. Question number 6 is x square 100 plus y square over 400 that is equals to 1. Okay. So this equation is in this form: x square over b square y square over a square that is equals to 1. So this is a type of when the major axis lie on y axis. Fine, like this. ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ बनेगा बेटा इसका, ठीक है। तो उसका ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ बनेगा। फोकाई जो उसका F1 लाई करेगा दैट वुड बी 0, c. This would be F2 0, -c. This is your vertex A, B. This is C and this is D. So this A would be 0, a 0, -a. Your C would be b, 0 -b, 0. Got it? So when you compare this equation, your b square would be 100, your a square would be 400. So this will give you b is equals to 10 and your a would be 20. Okay. After doing this, you have to calculate C. Your C would be, this is the formula, a square is equal to c square plus b square. Fine. C square would be equals to, C square would be, you have to calculate your a square would be 400, c square plus your b square is 100, so your c square would be bache 300. So your c would be, it can be written as 10 root 3. Okay, so this is the formula to find C. ठीक है. Now your C is here. So now you have to find out the coordinate of the foci. So coordinate of foci would be 0 comma C and 0 comma minus C. So you have to put the value. Foci F1 is 0 comma C. Your C is 10 root 3. Okay. Similarly, and F2 would be 0 comma minus 10 root 3. Okay, children. So these are the coordinates of foci. Vertex beta A is given, that is 0 comma A. Here is your A, 0 comma A. So your A is 20. So it would be 0 comma 20. Similarly, B is 0 comma minus 20. And C, if you want to find out coordinate of C, so C would be, it would be B comma 0, that is 10 comma 0, and D would be minus 10 comma 0. Okay, if you have to find out eccentricity, so eccentricity would be C by A. Your C is 10 root 3, your A is 20, so it would be root 3 by 2. Okay, length of lattice rectum निकालना है. Length of lattice rectum, that must be 2b square by A. Put the value and you will get the answer. Your b square is 100. Your A is, this is your A. Your A would be 20. So 2, 5, that would be 10. So this is how you can solve question number 6. Okay. Next question, बच्चे, in question number 7, 8 and 9, they are also very simple. Fine. In this question, what you have to do, see. Let me erase this. See, in question number, which question you want? I'm solving question number 7. See. So here this equation is given to you. So this equation is not in standard form. Fine. So what you have to do, you have to make this equation in standard form first of all. So how will you make? 36x square plus 4y square is equals to 1 you have to write, and I'm shifting this 144 in the denominator of this. Okay, इसे मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करना है? 36x square over 144 plus 4y square over 144, that is equals to 1. अब इसको कैंसिल कर दो. 4 9 the 4 3 the 12, 4 6 the, so 9 1 the 9 4 the. Similarly 4 3 the 4 6 the. So the equation is x square over 4 plus y square over 36, that is equals to 1. Now you can solve this. Okay, here your major axis will lie on y axis. So solve कर देना, निकाल देना इसका वर्टेक्स जो भी मांग रहा है ये. ठीक है. तो इस फॉर्म में पहले कन्वर्ट कर लेना स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में. Okay. Now students solve this exercise up to question number 9. Okay. तो अभी यहीं तक ही करते हैं. इसको 9 तक सॉल्व करिए, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं 10th 11th 12th एंड टिल 20 तक करते हैं. ठीक है. सो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क. फाइन. सो ये बहुत स्कोरिंग चैप्टर है बेटा. ठीक है. बहुत, अगर आप फॉर्मूलाज याद कर लोगे तो बहुत इजीली इस चैप्टर से स्कोर कर सकते हो. ठीक है. ओके. इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनी डाउट्स सो प्लीज आस्क. बाय बाय. Take care.